Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Vidalta Bundle review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this offer called Vidalta Bundle. So this is the Vidalta Bundle review, and right now we are on a sales page where it says generate attention grabbing and effective social media promotional videos and graphics with ease using 1568 ready-made story and post templates by the Safa Media. Let's watch this video. Okay. So it's for a couple of minutes long, and this is like your brand, so you can always customize all this. You can put your brand name in the beginning as intro, and these are the products which you will get inside. So you will get social media promotions. These are banners, I guess. No design skills, no confusing software. All you have to do is import or open them in PowerPoint. Okay. So we'll see more samples in a moment. Are we done? Let's fast forward this. Okay, so they're showing you how to customize it, right? So let's watch it. So you open it in PowerPoint. You come here, as I said, you can change all these names and text. You can add your brand name, your email address, your phone number, and it will become your promotional material. There you go. Let's forward this again. So if in case you run some restaurant or cafe, right? So we are done. So you will find the link of this page below my YouTube video somewhere here. So go below my video in the description, click on grab Vidalta Bundle copy here. That link will take you to the sales page, and then let's explore here. So you will be getting 360 animated stories video templates, 360 animated post video templates, 720 static stories and post templates, 128 typography library, 10 category, export to any formats you want, JPG, PNG, GIF, MP4. Perfect for Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and more social media platform that suit in this much aspect ratio. Okay, 1920 is normally Instagram Reels vertical, and 1080 is like a square one, right? So commercial license is included. Now, in case you are some freelancer or you are managing some social media accounts for some other companies, you have to find some new banners and videos every day to post on the behalf of the business. Then you can go and take a look at the sample videos you see here. So how to edit them, how to edit the background, how to type custom. You have seen that in the video above. It's all using Excel, I guess, not Excel, sorry, PowerPoint. And edit image, edit color, right? So once you come on the page, once you come on the sales page, you can play these videos separately and watch them. How do they do it? Then you have module 1, in which you will be getting 320 stories templates. So these are those stories which you can use to promote your business or run some Facebook ads or Instagram ads. There are many of them, and they're all playable here. So you can click on the play button and you can watch these videos in your free time when you click on the link below. Again, module number 2 is category 2, actually fashion. More videos, more sample. Category 3, fashion promo. This is for people who run e-commerce. They can use these videos on their Instagram and Facebook to attract more audience if they have some new collections. Summers are coming now everywhere, so summer collections come in and go and make sales. Okay. Category 3, business. If you have anything to you have any services, you're a consultant or something, you can be some local business as well. Go and just get it and start getting clients. Okay. So then we have module 6, which is food corner. Obviously everybody wants to eat outside. So yes, if you could be a restaurant. And what is this? Personal branding, in case you run some channel or website or brand. This is event organizers, sorry. Go and watch this video. Too many videos for me to go through, and you will have the sample videos for each category, and watch these videos, make up your mind, and then if you want to use them in your own projects or in your client's project, go ahead, grab them. It's a quite cheap deal, I guess. It's only for $21. Okay. So, and there are too many samples to go through on this page, so I'm not gonna hold you here, because you will have to spend your own time in going through these videos and samples. So let's get through the let's go to the bottom to see if we have any frequently asked questions, and then we'll talk about the OTOs as well. There are a couple of OTOs, I guess, in this one. And okay, so the price is $21, right? Now it's increasing, it's 21.81 because it looks like it's on a dime sale. So frequently asked questions: what is Vidalta V1 bundle? This is this much in total animated stories and square templates for social media promotions. As explained, can I get more templates? Yes, you can buy the OTO. What licenses do I get? You will get commercial and developer license, and you can use it on unlimited projects. Yes. Unlimited web projects. Yes. And not resell anyway, and can't give for free. Okay. So what software do I use? You can use Office 365, but we have tried using 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. It works on more PowerPoint, okay? And of course, you need to have MS PowerPoint on your Windows or Mac. So I'm a Mac user, what then? Go and install PowerPoint on Mac. That's what they're saying. Because PowerPoint for MacBook cannot render video. So you have to try PowerPoint on Mac with a different Windows computer. If you need to edit static, design and export into image, this Mac version can be used. So for images, you can edit images on Mac, but you can't export videos using PowerPoint on Mac. So you got to be on Windows. And I guess on Mac computer, you can actually install Windows as well, as long I remember, because I worked for Apple for 1 year, I guess, back in 2012. Was it? No. 13 was it, I guess, 13, 14, I don't remember. I worked for Apple for a month, for 1 year, where I used to troubleshoot these problems, Mac computer, iPhone, all that. So I work for everybody. You can resell. I think we have covered this. So what's the refund? What is the refund policy? I'm telling you, there's no refund. Only buy this if you want this, otherwise don't buy. Listen to me. Don't buy. Only buy if you want this. Otherwise, do not buy from my link below. Refund process, no refund. What if I need some support? You can email them if you have any questions before buying as well. You can email them on this email address, and if they respond and answer your queries, you can go ahead and make a purchase. Product usage post refund. If you get the refund, then don't keep their files on your computer, okay? But as I said, there's no refund. Listen to me, don't listen to them. All right, so let's talk about the OTOs here, and then we'll talk about those people who wants to make money online, because this could be only helpful for those people who are already having some presence on their Instagram, Facebook. Either they will be using it themselves for their audience on getting sales, or if you are a freelancer or some local marketing company who handles social media accounts for other businesses, you could use for promoting their business, or posting content on their profile every day, okay? If you're a newbie, then what will you do? If you're a newbie, will you make money with this? Absolutely not. As a newbie, you can't make money with this, but we'll talk about what will newbies do after we go through the OTOs here. So in module, this is the front end. In front end, you will be getting this much. In OTO1, you will be getting more banners and more stories, whatever you see here. And then this is the downsell, okay? So upgrade one is for $35. And then there's a downsell of $21. So I don't know how these alpha, beta, gamma works, but you go and buy the front end and then go through the go to the next page and then say no thanks. When you say no thanks, then you can get the 35 thing in $21 only. That's what I understand for now. Okay, so you'll find the links below and go and grab it. And if I see this, okay, so this is again here. This is front end, and this is OTO1, and this is OTO2, I guess. Okay, so you can pause the video and read all the description and make up your mind. However, you should go and get the front end if you want these promotional stories and videos for your own promotions or for your clients' promotions. Okay, now for those people who are a newbie here, they want to make money online and they don't have any clients, they don't have any followers on Instagram or anything like that, but you still want to make money online, then no problem, go below my video here. First thing, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, it's all free. And then check out these two links. The first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now this forex trading is like a currency trading where we have currencies such as Euro, USD, GBP, USD, AUD, USD, USD, CAD, and many more. Okay, I will not repeat that. So when we have these currencies in the world, we all know that Euro, USD, and all that. So one currency goes up, other currency goes down. So these fluctuations will help us to make money. What we will be doing is we will be buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high. And that's how we will keep our profits or make our profits. But if you do this on your own, you will not know what you're doing and you will be broke. You will do mistakes, okay? That is why you have to go through a training and click on the first link here, come on this page and enter your email address, enter your name, then click on unlock the syndicate. go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate, watch the video there to understand what are you getting into, and then take some time to absorb. Okay, the syndicate is going to teach you things about basic things about forex trading, plus it will teach you that how to install this virtual computer, then how to install the graph, then how to install the software on this graph, how to give the settings to that software, because we will not be trading manually. We will be using a software which is the #1 software in the market. That #1 software will be doing trading for us on our behalf automatically, and that is how we will make profits. Okay, so if I show you my account history here, you could see $4,000. This is a demo account, by the way, a $50,000 demo account. In 4 days it has made I guess in 3 days it has made around $4,100 profit. Okay, so right now don't worry about the numbers, don't worry about 50,000 or 10,000, whatever. Worry about the concept. Okay, if you the minimum you can start with $100. The minimum you have to invest into this is $100, but it's too early to start jumping from your couch. First fill in these details, then go through the process, and then watch the videos to understand what are you going to deal with. Okay, this is only for people who can go through the training for 8 hours, absorb the content, learn, implement, and take action. And if you will need support, you will be able to contact me on a Skype here. Okay, if you can't go through the training, you don't have time, you have some problem, whatever the reason is, no problem, come back here, subscribe, like, lead, no problem. Okay, and if you want to make money with Traffic Jarvis here, Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now, but manually. Remember, in the first option, forex trading, the software will be working. In second option, Traffic Jarvis, you will have to come on YouTube like me, whether you come on the camera or not, entirely up to you, but you will have to come on YouTube and make videos manually, as many videos you can. I make videos every single day. Okay, so you have to come and make these reviews and do affiliate marketing, maybe sell somebody else's product or sell your own product, or get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis. Because in this video which you're watching right now, this YouTube video, whether you buy something from me or not, this YouTube video has made me some money already, because you have seen some ads in this YouTube video, and these ads make me money whether I sell you something or not. This only happens if you have more than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel. Okay, so this Traffic Jarvis will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and then get your YouTube channel monetized within 30 days. That's all. Okay, so what is this Vidalta Bundle Edition? It's a very good offer, 21 bucks only. Go and buy from a link if you have the usage of these these reels and everything, videos. If you know what to do with them, go and buy. If you're a newbie, come back here and check out these links and decide which one would you like to go with. You can go with both of them or one of them, entirely up to you. Okay, subscribe, like. In the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing, option number 2 is YouTube, Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, You might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic service within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic service. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.